The Amazon Basics 1800W portable induction cooktop is about to revolutionize the way you cook on the go. Imagine being able to whip up a hearty meal in your RV, cabin, or studio apartment with ease. No more cramped kitchen spaces holding you back. This incredible portable induction stovetop allows you to cook meals without a full range, making it perfect for small spaces where a full kitchen isn't available. The flexibility and space-saving design make it an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to camp, travel, or live in compact homes. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its versatility. With 8 power levels, 300-1800 watts, and a temperature range of 160 to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 to 226 degrees Celsius. You can accommodate a wide range of cooking methods, from simmering to grilling, and everything in between. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or reheating last night's dinner, this cooktop has got you covered. But what really sets it apart is its convenience. The Smart Control features convenient preset cooking modes and a 3-hour timer, making meal planning and execution effortless. And with an intuitive LED display, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Safety always comes first when it comes to cooking, and this cooktop doesn't disappoint. Advanced safety features include a child lock, auto pause function, overheat protection, and voltage warning system, giving you peace of mind while you're cooking up a storm. Cleaning up after use is a breeze with the tempered glass surface. It's durable and easy to wipe clean, making maintenance a snap. Plus, it's compatible with flat-bottomed induction-ready cookware, think cast iron, enameled iron, or stainless steel, in sizes 5.7-inch, 8.2. The compact dimensions of this cooktop are simply genius, weighing only 6.2 pounds, 2.8 kilograms. It makes easy storage and transportation a cinch. Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway or just need to move your cookware around, this portable induction stovetop is always up for the task. But what really gets me excited about this product is its sheer value proposition. With all these features packed into one compact unit, it's hard not to see why the Amazon Basics 1800W portable induction cooktop is a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook on the go. So if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level and make mealtime more convenient than ever, be sure to check out the link below for the best price.